on the Sleipnir. All drones out.
Point on.
Hammermaid in the Hurricane is secondary.
I've point on the
Hammermaid
He's
is
dead.
What's secondary?
Hammermaid is primary.
Hurricane.
Secondary is Angel Drade in the Hurricane.
Vtox is down.
All DPS on Hammermaid. Where's our E-Ward? E-Ward on the Typhoon.
What's after Hammermaid?
After Hammermaid will be Angel Drade. In the
Mariner,
Hurricane.
how far off the gate should I warp to in my mail? I'm AC fit.
I need shields if we got any reps.
He's scramming web on Hammermaid.
I got it.
They're taking us down.
I got web on Hammermaid.
I got
I'm
point.
myself.
We get a point on Angel Drade next.
God damn it, I'm about to pop.
Point. No, Andrew Drake is too far away from me. Wait, no, I got point on Andrew Drake.
Hammermaid is primary. Come on, almost down. Dominix is going to be next. Dominix is primary. Dominix. Dominix is primary. All DPS on the Dom. If you have newts, newt the Dom.
I'm bringing primary by the Enyo.
Call for reps. Do we still have our Logi on the field?
Dominix is primary me.
Is our Logi?
Who's primary? Who's primary?
Dominix is primary.
Dominix is primary. All damage on the Dominix. Everything we got. If you lost a ship, get back here and in a new ship.
On my way back.
Web on the Dominix.
Yeah, I got scramming web on the Dominix. I got newts on the Dominix. All damage on the Dominix. Do we still have Logi on the field? Sound off.
My ship is going down. My ship is.
I need a secondary target.
After
have
the
no
Dominix, it'll be the Typhoon.
I'm off. I have no armor left.
That's fine. Get
Jams
away.
on the cane. Jams on 2 canes.
Good job. Dominix is primary. Typhoon will be second.
Dominix is gone.
Graham and Web on Typhoon.
Point on Typhoon.
Yep. Someone get points on the other stuff on here. Points on everything else. Get points on everything. Sound off. Who's got points on the Myrmidon?
Point on Myrmidon.
Who's got point on the Hurricane?
Which Hurricane?
Either one. Sound them off.
I've
Sound
got
them
web on
off.
Hurricane. I've got web on Hurricane.
Scram on Hurricane.
Someone get a scram on the Enyo. Typhoon is primary. Secondary is going to be the Enyo.
Scram and web on Enyo.
Come on, all DPS on the Typhoon. Let's get it done, guys. Almost there.
Call second target, please.
Second target is the NU. Second target is the NU. After the NU, it will be the Myrmidon.
Point on Myrmidon.
I think they're bugging out.
Myrmidon is primary. Get point. The Hurricane's jumped out.
Point
Scram.
Web on Myrmidon.
Point on
Point
Myrmidon.
web. Yeah, he's not going anywhere, boys.
Yep, burn him down.
I have him jammed.
Yeah, he's going down. It's a tanky bit.
Bye-bye.
Drones in.
He's dead.
Drones in. Leave the pot alone. Drones in, drones in. We need a salvager in here. Start looting.